Understanding tax avoidance. Tax avoidance involves legally minimizing tax liabilities by leveraging permissible deductions, exemptions, and credits, contrasting with illegal methods used in tax evasion. 1. Legal and ethical. Tax avoidance strategies are legal and are considered ethical as they involve complying with tax laws and regulations. Taxpayers engage in tax avoidance to optimize their tax situation by maximizing tax benefits and minimizing tax liabilities using available legal provisions. 2. Utilization of tax laws. Tax avoidance involves leveraging various tax planning strategies, structures, and arrangements to reduce the amount of tax payable. This may include claiming allowable deductions, utilizing tax credits, structuring transactions efficiently, and engaging in tax-efficient investments. 3. Complexity and sophistication. Tax avoidance strategies vary from basic methods like contributing to retirement or charities to intricate schemes involving trusts, offshore entities, and tax shelters. These strategies may require sophisticated planning and advice from tax professionals. 4. Minimization of tax liability. The primary objective of tax avoidance is to minimize the tax burden while remaining compliant with tax laws. By strategically managing their finances and transactions, taxpayers aim to legally reduce their tax liabilities and retain more of their income and wealth. 5. Tax planning. Tax avoidance strategies vary from basic methods like contributing to retirement or charities to intricate schemes involving trusts, offshore entities, and tax shelters. Tax planning may involve long-term strategies to minimize taxes over time. 6. Legal constraints. Tax avoidance is subject to legal constraints, and taxpayers must ensure that their strategies comply with applicable tax laws and regulations. Engaging in aggressive tax planning or exploiting loopholes beyond the intended scope of the law may attract scrutiny from tax authorities and lead to challenges or disputes. 7. Transparency and disclosure. Taxpayers engaging in tax avoidance are typically required to disclose their tax planning strategies and transactions in accordance with tax reporting requirements. Transparency and accurate reporting are essential to maintain compliance and avoid penalties.